Hi and welcome, and in this training I'm going to show you how we're going to be building a funnel for a high ticket offer that is found on Clickbank. Now I'm doing this, I was doing this on my own, and I decided since I'm doing the steps, might as well show you exactly what I'm going to be doing promoting this offer. Now this is called the Asigo system. So I was able to, because I know this is going to be a high ticket offer, I want solid traffic going to it. I want to build it with paid traffic going over to the page that I'm going to be building, so I can take them through the funnel so that the Asigo system, the vendors, can take over in selling this for me. Okay, so this is exactly the step-by-step process that I would take to start building a campaign around this Asigo system. So I came to Namecheap. I found a domain that I wanted to use. I'm going to go ahead and use this, and I guess I do have a little code here that I can use. We'll see if that works. So add to cart. Okay, and let me see if I can enter. Okay, so Asigo system, let me go to checkout. And promo code, let's see if that works. Apply. And I believe we got it cheaper. Excellent. 609. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm my order. And then we're going to be setting everything up. We're going to be building the page. We're going to be connecting the domain to the page builder that I'm going to be using. And we're going to do. So it's $7. That's good. And let me go ahead and pay now. Alright, now that we got our domain, I'm going to have to set up my DNS for the page that I'm going to be building, and I'll just go ahead and set it up from now, so by the time I'm done with the building, it should be ready to go. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my domains, the ones that I just bought. So I'm going to go to my dashboard. Okay, so I've bought my Asigo system, and I'm just going to go click on manage. And then I'm going to head over to advanced DNS. And then right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically edit this. Okay. And I'm going to change it to, first I'm going to go into the Groovefunnels page builder that I'm using. And you can do the same thing by creating and recreating and stuff like that. But in order to be approved for the Asigo system, you need to be a marketer that is pretty well known, I guess. It's a high ticket offer, and they're very careful with the people that they're promoting for. So I'm going to go to my pages, and just to get started, I'm not going to design it yet, but I'm just going to get the new site out real quick. I will choose one of the templates that they probably have for me. I think I'm going to use this one. Let me see what else there is. I'm going to use this one because they're giving me a book to give. So I'll just select this one. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and I want to publish it on my site, and this is the AsigoSystem.com. That's the domain that I want to send them to. Alright, and all I have to do is just point the domain to this hosting right here. Okay, so in order to do this, I'm just going to go copy and go to advanced and enter it right there. You see that? And then click on this. And I'll leave it there, and it's going to fix up at one point. Okay, so for now, this is what I'm going to be using. This is how I'm going to be doing. And the next part is go to my Cloudflare. And this is to create an SSL certificate for that domain, for that stuff. Now remember, with Groovefunnels, you are already hosted, so you don't need to get any hosting. I'm going to go ahead and add my site, and this would be the asegosystem.com. Okay, choose the free plan. Okay, and then I'm going to scroll down and go to continue. And the thing that you need to change here is actually remove the older servers and add the new servers. And the way that you do this is you copy this, come back into your Namecheap account, and you will scroll down to name servers, personal DNS. Hold on, let me go to my dashboard just to make sure I've got everything right. Okay, so the name servers right here, you're going to go to custom DNS, enter the first one, and then head over and get the second one. Copy, and then go back to Namecheap and enter it there. Okay, so now I've changed the name servers. It's going to take some time to propagate, but once it's done, then this site right here is going to be ready to go. Let me done checking the servers, and we're going to leave it at full. You can see that it's already done the little lock. Always use HTTPS, and done. Okay, so we're done with that part. We've connected our domains. This is going to be published on our domain. Let me publish it, and we're going to start building this. Okay, so what I want to do here is like change a little bit things on here, because we're going to be building the page based on the offer that I have. Now let me move everything over here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and basically, let me fix my light. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically change the editing here with the configuration of editing the page that I just created. I'm gonna upload one of the images that I got, which is it the Asego bundle? I think it's this one right here. But basically, you know what? I'm gonna actually add another one. I'm gonna Asego book cover. Okay, then. Update. So I've got this right here. I'm gonna click on this and fix the sizing. Okay. Good, and then I'm just gonna say services. All right. We put like download mind map. Here we go. Wait. Get the new book and mind map. Book and mind map. Here, this one right here, I'm going to use for my thing. So let me fix this better. Okay, download the mind map. Okay, ladies and gents, I've actually sat there and created this page from beginning to end, and showing you exactly what I did would take a lot of time. All you have to do is replace images with whatever you're promoting, and add some details on what it is. This is the page that I created for this Asigo system that I created. Now, what happens here is, as soon as I've published this to my domain, which is ready, by the way, if we go over to the Asigo system right now and we can check it out. So the Asigo system, this is my page. Actually, let me refresh this because I changed the button. Okay, perfect. So what I did here is, like, I created a pop-up email thing that when they enter their details and download now, it'll take them over to the actual link that I have, which is promoting the Asigo system, and for them to be able to get the ebook themselves. Now, my links are attached to this. This is important because this is how I'll know if I'm making money with the Clickbank offer once people convert. At the same time, I'm collecting leads to my own email autoresponder so that I can follow up with emails based on the people that have signed up to this system. So as you can see, this took them over to this page right here, where this is going to be doing the selling for me. They're going to sign up for the workshop just like I promised on my page. This is the download that they can get their download, and this is their mind map they're going to be able to download. Okay, so all this is done for me and ready to go. Now, the other thing is to make sure that my follow-up sequence is congruent in my list. This is my email list. Okay, so right now I'm gonna remove everything that I'm having here and adding the new follow-up series that I'm gonna be doing for the Asigo system. This is an email list. It's called Dropshipping Solutions. It has to do with this list, with people that are signed up to this list. They will get the information sent to them as soon as they sign up to me. So the way that this works is that I'm gonna go ahead and create a message and drag and drop email, and from the information that I have, I'm going to go ahead and grab the emails that I'm going to be providing that list with. So here we go, a live demo. I'm going to put that there, and then as you can see, I'm copy pasting and adding into my email. Okay, so right now I'm writing this email. All my links are attached. Let me cut this and put it in here as a hyperlink. Alright, and let me make this bigger. Okay, so right here I'm going to save and exit, and I'm going to go ahead and follow up series. This is going to be added to the people that are signing up right now. They'll be getting this first email. I'm going to create another message, and I'm going to create 3 or 4. So I'm not going to sit here and do them right now, but this is the process. Create whatever you have in from the vendor that they're giving you with the affiliate tools, more emails, put them up in a follow-up series. So when people are signing up, every day they receive something from you where you're sending them over to the workshop, or to remind them that they downloaded, that they should go download the book or the mind map that you created. Not that you created, but or if you want to create, but in general, you know what I'm saying. So right now we have our follow-up series ready. We have our landing page ready, and now we want to drive traffic to it through paid sources, free sources, etc. One way of doing this is like posting it in a Facebook group that you might have. So in my case, I know I have a Facebook group for this. I will post an image and let them see if they can, if it will convert. So I'm going to go ahead and basically create a new page where I'm just going to do a business or brand. I'm going to name this the Asigo Actually, let me just go with page name as C. service, continue. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and upload a profile pic. I will use the get a better cover. I'm putting all the information for this, so this would be the seagosystem.com. Okay, so we've added the learn more. I've added an image. I don't know if this is like the best image I should use, but right now, let me try this instead, maybe. Okay, I'll leave that as is. And then I'm going to create my first post, and the way I'm going to do this is by coming and using the actual things here. So we do launch book. Let me copy this back to the Facebook page, add an image, and okay. And let me post this. So this is my first post on this page, and this is where I could get some traffic coming to this. Okay. We go to a Seago system. Now in our post section, I'm going to go ahead and pin to the top of the post. So that would be the first thing that people are going to see when they jump on. Okay, it's looking good. And I can actually boost this post if I'd like to send more people to it. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing in my private group, but I won't do it for this purpose, but I'm just showing you what you need to do when you build your page, etc. All right, now I don't want to use the logo from this, so what I'm gonna do instead is find something else to use for that. Let me see. I'm going to be using this. I just got a screenshot from that just so it's a little bit more captivating and looks better with the circle thing. Okay, so now this is basically ready. Page is ready. Page is ready for me to drive traffic, and everything looks perfect. Let me reposition a little bit. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so my next move is basically to start sending paid traffic to this. I'm going to be sending free traffic to this. I'm going to be doing a lot of testing on seeing what's working. I will be creating a Facebook ad based on this, but I won't be sharing it with you in this option. I just wanted to show you how I would go about building a page to promote a high ticket offer from Clickbank and how to collect leads so I can follow up with them and then make money from that. Everything else other than that is up to you and from the information that you're getting from the vendors so you can promote something. So I hope you enjoyed this free training, and I'll talk to you in the next episode.